Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of logging into Geon Health account. Whether you are a patient, healthcare provider, or simply accessing your information, this tutorial video will help you navigate the steps seamlessly. Let's dive in. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Now, next in the address bar, type in Geon Health Login. Once you type in Geon Health Login, hit enter. Now, here on the screen, you will see the Geon Health Incorporation site. So, click on this site, Account Login. Once you get through that site, you will be directed into the login page. Here, you need to enter your username as the email address in this section and password in this section. So make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credit details, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are sorted, now click on the login button below the login field. Once you are logged in, depending on your role and permission, you will have access to different features and resources within the platform. Through this way, you can simply log in into the Geon Health account through your computer. But if you are a new user, then you have to go in this section, Register. Here, you have to create your new username and password for your account. So fill in all the informations asked in this site and you can continue, through which you can make the account for your Geon Health. And if any case you forgot your password, then by clicking on this forgotten password, you can access to change your password. So by this way, you can use the Geon Health website for account login, making new account, or to reset the password. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.